Long ago, in the heart of the great African savanna, where the baobab trees stretch like wise old giants and the grasses hum secrets to the wind, lived two peculiar neighbors, Dog, whose real name was Ngozi, and Fox, known as Mbechi. Now, Ngozi, the dog, was as lazy as harmattan dust clinging to window panes. From sunrise to sunset, you would find him sprawled under the mango tree, belly up, ears twitching, snoring like a chief with no worries.
So the audio you just listened to, I generated for free using text to speech. So this is basically an AI generated voiceover, and I did it for absolutely free. The good thing is you can do it too, and you can do a whole lot of text to audio generation for free. So if you want to create faceless YouTube channels, or you just want to use text to generate voiceovers, this video is going to be very helpful to you. Of course, you can use platforms like Elevenlabs, Morph, and the rest of them, but these platforms are actually very, very expensive. And the platform I'm going to show you today is completely free. And the platform is called Google AI Studio. So if you come to this website, I'll put a link in the description. If you come to this website, you can actually use this website to generate voiceovers, or you can use this website to basically give it text and then it will turn it into voices for you. So this is what the interface looks like, and again, this is from Google, which means you get the luxury of using it for free. So this is a very simple interface, and it's free. All you have to do is just log in using a Gmail account and you'll be brought to an interface like this one. Now, the good thing with this platform is that you can even generate voiceovers where you have two persons who are talking. So if you come here, you see where we have multi-audio speaker, and then you can tag speaker 1, you can put what they want to say, and then speaker 2, you can put what they want to say. Again, you can create more and more dialogues, and you can use this for maybe podcasting and stuffs like that. So if you wanted to create just for one person, a single speaker, you can just come here, select single speaker. So we are going to try the both of them so you see how it works. So I came over to ChatGPT and then I told it to just write me a very short story about a lazy dog and a quick brown fox. So you should use the African folktale style. So this is supposed to be an African folktale storytelling kind. I generated this very interesting story for me, and all I have to do is copy this story, and then I want to come back to the Google AI Studio and I want to paste it right here where we have the text here, and you can do edits if you wanted, like this very first place. I don't want it to be a part of the voiceover, so I can remove that place and then I can close the gap. So these asterisks right here and all these other punctuations here, they make the voiceover sound more natural. So these voices are going to come out like a natural voice. So here you can even give it the style that you want. You can say you should read out loud and in a warm and friendly tone. So you can edit it, tell it if you want it to talk angrily, you can tell it right there. So you paste your text. So far there's no limit to what you can do, so it doesn't give you any limits to the number of words that you can use, which is really cool because all these other platforms, they give you caps on what you can do. So now we are just going to come here and see where we have voices or voice. You can select different kind of voice. So this guy here, it says knowledgeable. This one is lively, but it has a lower pitch. This one is gentle, it has a middle pitch. This one is casual and low mids, friendly, low mids, and all of that. So you just select what you want. As you can see, we have a whole lot of voices right here. So I use this one to generate the audio you listened to before this video. So I'm just going to look for let's say informative and middle age. So you can select that one. You can see that it changes right here. At the top here, you can select the model. You can use either the Gemini 2.5 Flash or the 2.5 Pro. So I use the 2.5 Pro, which gives me good results. So you can come here and do even more settings. You can increase the temperature as you want. So by default, I leave it to 1. And Once you have all your settings saved, all you need to do is you want to come here, click on run, and give it some time. It's going to generate the audio. So you can see it's generating the audio, and we are going to give it a few seconds to do that. It's going to take the length is going to depend on how long your audio your script is, but if your script is not that long, it should be done in less than 30 seconds or 1 minute thereabout. So we're going to give it time to do it, and then we are going to listen to it, and you tell me what you think. Now the rendering is complete. As you can see, it generated 3 minutes 24 seconds for us for free. So you can play this if you wanted, listen to it if you like. If you do not like it, you can come here, you can change the voice, and you can tell it to run again. So you can change to any voice that you have. But I'm good with this, so I'm just going to click on download. If you click on these options here, you can say download, and then we'll be able to download it right here. So this is how you use this platform to generate just a single person voiceover. Now let me show you how you can do it for 2 persons. So we are going to try this multi-speaker, and we have to basically just give it a script. So here we can give it the structure that we want it to use. All right, like the speaker 1, we can give speaker 1 a structure, give speaker 2 a structure 2. So we have different things we can do, like a podcast transcript, movie transcripts, and AI voice assistant. However, I came to ChatGPT, and then I told it to just give me a short story about speaker 1 and speaker 2, and so we can just use that. So what we can do is we come here, we just copy the dialogue for the speaker 1. All right, and then we want to come back here and we say speaker 1. So this is what speaker 1 is going to say. So you paste it right here. So you want to come back again, and then you want to copy speaker 2. So this is actually in the Nigerian Pidgin English. So in case you watch this video and it doesn't make any sense to you, I am sorry about that. So this is where you paste what the speaker 2 is saying. All right, so I'm just going to do this and be very fast about it. So I'm just going to copy speaker 1 again. So you can do it anyway. You can do speaker 1, speaker 2, speaker 2, speaker 1, like that, anyhow you want. So here we can add another dialogue for speaker 1. All right, and then let's do the last one, which is speaker 2, and we should be good to go. So we are done for here. You can add another dialogue, and then in this case it will be for speaker 2. So here you can do the model settings. All right, again, the temperature if you wanted. So here you can generate the voice for speaker 1, because they both cannot use the same voice. So here we have speaker 1. This is the voice we want them to use. So you can select anyone you like. So I'm going to use this leather, and then speaker 2. All right, we are going to use this guy. All right, once you are done, you click on run again, give it some time, and it's going to generate the audio for us. So I'm going to attach the finished audio at the end of this video so you can listen to it and tell me if you like it. And this is how you can generate unlimited voiceovers for free using Google AI Studio. So this is done right here, but it's just 18 seconds because this dialogue is not that long. I'm going to download it again, and then I'm going to attach them at the end of the video. So this is how you can generate these voiceovers, and tell me if this video was helpful. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. My name is Good Noel. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Long ago, in the heart of the great African savanna, where the baobab trees stretch like wise old giants and the grasses hum secrets to the wind, lived 2 peculiar neighbors, Dog, whose real name was Ungozi, and Fox, known as Umbechi. Now, Ungozi the dog was as lazy as harmattan dust clinging to window panes. From sunrise to sunset, you would find him sprawled under the mango tree, belly up, ears twitching.
Guy, you no go believe wetin happen yesterday for Chuka wedding.
Waiting again. Dem finally serve food on time?
Forget food first. Rain beat us like thief wey dem catch for market. From nowhere just as the bride dey dance enter.
Jesus! Was it that bad?